friends, this question asked in GATE 2007 in 2 marks. In 2 marks, okay. Let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you, okay, and what is given in the question, okay. For the network given in the figure below, okay, this is a network. The routing tables of the 4 nodes A, E, D and G are shown, okay. These are the routing table for A, D, E and G, okay. Suppose that F has estimated its delay to its neighbors, okay. A, E, D and G are 8, 10, 12 and 6 milliseconds respectively, okay, and updates its routing table using distance vector routing technique. So here is a delays, estimated delays from A to E, from F to A, F to E, F to D and F to G are given. So what are these estimated delays? F to A is given what? 8. F to E is given what? 10, okay. F to D is given what? 12, okay, and F to G is given what? 6. What given? 6 milliseconds, okay. So we need to find out the routing table for the node F. We need to find out the routing table for the node F by using the distance vector routing algorithm. So we need to find out the minimum distance. From F to A. So how we can find out the minimum distance from F to A to form a routing table for the node F, okay. So if we want to find out the minimum distance, okay, then F to A, then we need the minimum path. From F to A through which we can reach from F to A. So directly we can reach F to A. So what is the minimum value of this? 8, okay. Directly is given estimated delay F to A is given 8 millisecond, comma. How you can reach A? If you will go F to E, then you can reach E to A. F to E, okay, F to E and then E to A. And what is the estimated delay F to E? Is this 10, right? This 10, okay. Then E to A, in the routing table of E to A is getting how much delays? 24 plus 24, total is what? 34, okay. Total is what? 34, comma. How you can reach F to A? You need to go from F to D, then D to A. F to D is estimated delay is given 12. F to D, right? F to D, then D to A. F to D is estimated delay is given 12, and D to A, in the routing table of D to A, how much it is taking? 20. This is equal to what? 32, okay. And in the similar way, F to G is what is the estimated delays? Then you can go G to A. So F to G is given 6 plus G to A, need to see in the routing table of G, D to A is how much? 21, okay. So plus 21, it is equal to what? 27. So what is the minimum? To update the routing table of F? So A equal to what? 8. A equal to what? 8, okay. So routing table for F is this, okay. Here what? A, here what? B, here what? C, D, E, F and G. We calculated A, how much? 8. We need to fill 8, okay. In similar way, we will also calculate for B. So for B equal to what? Also need to take min, okay. So F to A, then you can go A to B. F to A, then you can go A to B. So what is the estimated delays F to A? F to A is given what? 8 plus A to B. Go in the routing table of A to B. How much it is getting? 40. Then total is what? 48. Okay, then total is what? 48. Then total is what? 48, right? 48. In a similar way, then F to E is estimated delays is given 10. F to E, okay. Then you can go E to B, okay. So F to E is given estimated delay how much? 10 plus E to B. Go in the routing table of A. E to B is 27, right? So 27 is there. So how much? 37. In the similar way, F to D, you can go F to D and D to B. So F to D estimated delays is given how much? 12 plus D to B. Go in the routing table of D and take the D to B how much? 8. So it is what? 20. It is what? 20, right? In the similar way, you can go F to G, then G to B. F to G is given how much? 6. Go in the routing table of G and take the value of F to B, 24. Then how much is it? It is 30. So to take the V minimum, this is 48, this is 37, this is 20, this is 30. So which one is minimum? 20 is minimum. So you can fill 20 here. You can fill 20 here. And at the place of F, what you need to fill? 0. What you need to fill? 0. So where V's value is 20, here V's value is 8. So this is not a routing table for, you can eliminate the options. This is not routing table for F because here V is 8, here B is 8 and we are getting V is what? 20. So from option A and C you can choose the answer. Okay. So need to calculate the remaining things also. Okay. So here is what? F value is what? 16. F value is what? 16. But F value is 0 where? Here. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay. Option A is correct. If you need to calculate then you can. Otherwise directly you can pick which option is correct. Option A is correct. Right. You can see the solution. Here directly option A is correct. Because the minimum distance F to F is 0, not 16. So that's why from A and C option A is correct, because in the table, in the option A, F to F is what given? 0. Okay. So this is the way through which we can calculate the routing table for F. Similar way as I calculated, here what minimum is 8, here what minimum is 20, and the remaining for C, D, E and G also. So option A is correct. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.